Welcome to Future Aspirants. Today we will discuss the current affairs of 26 July 2021. Let's start. First one. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has announced his resignation from the top post on July 26, when his government completed 2 years in the state after being elected to power in 2019. He is 78 years old. Karnataka capital is Bengaluru. Karnataka governor is Thawarchand Gehlot. Next one. Senior IPS officer Nasir Kamal has been appointed as the Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. He is a 1986 batch IPS officer of the Uttar Pradesh cadre. Sweden joined agreement with the International Solar Alliance, and Sweden is a member of the Global Platform, which is an initiative of India aimed at promoting renewable energy and sustainable development. ISA headquarters, International Solar Alliance, Gurugram, Haryana. ISA Director General Ajay Mathur, and Stockholm is the capital of Sweden, and official currency of Sweden is krona. The current PM of Sweden is Stefan Löfven. Next one. The United Kingdom is now reporting an outbreak of the norovirus. Public Health England recently issued a warning regarding norovirus. England has recorded 154 cases of norovirus in the country. Prime Minister of United Kingdom UK is Boris Johnson. Capital is London. Next one. Lulu Group Chairman M.A. Yusuf Ali has been appointed as the Vice Chairman of Abu Dhabi Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Director Supreme Commander of UAE Armed Forces, issued a resolution to form a new board of directors for Abu Dhabi Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Next one. The Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF) has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Center for Development of Advanced Computing (CDAC) to train the manpower of the force in advanced technologies and undertake joint projects. The memorandum of understanding aims at augmenting the technical capabilities of CRPF by training its manpower in advanced areas like IoT, Internet of Things, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence, etc. Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF) headquarters is New Delhi, India, and motto CRPF motto is Service and Loyalty. Director General of CRPF is Kuldeep Singh. Next one. HDFC Bank Limited has got a loan of 250 million from International Finance Corporation. IFC full form is International Finance Corporation, the investment arm of the World Bank Group, to be used by the India's largest housing finance company for green housing. Headquarters of HDFC Bank is Mumbai, Maharashtra. MD and CEO of HDFC Bank is Shashidhar Jagdishan, and the tagline of HDFC Bank is "We understand your world." And International Finance Corporation Executive Vice President and CEO is Makhtar Diop. And headquarters of IFC is Washington DC, US. Pramod Bhagat, world number 1 parachuter Pramod Bhagat was named Differently Abled Sportsperson of the Year at Indian Sports Honor for the year 2019. Next one. India has entered the top 10 list of agricultural product exports in 2019, with a significant share within the export of rice, soya beans, cotton, and meat, according to World Trade Organization report on trends in agricultural trade in recent 25 years. In 2019, India ranked 9th with a share of 3.1% in global agriculture exports. Earlier, this place was New Zealand. Next one. Yang Quan of China took gold in the women's 10 meters air rifle final to secure the first gold medal of the 2020 Summer Games at the Osaka shooting range on 24th July. Next one. A book titled Former Election Commissioner Ashok Lavasa has come out with a book titled An Ordinary Life Portrait of an Indian Generation. Ashok Lavasa resigned as Election Commissioner in 2020 to become Vice President of the Asian Development Bank. Next one. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated every year on July 26 since the year 1999 to mark the India's victory over Pakistan in the Kargil conflict. This year, nation is celebrating the 22 years of victory in the Kargil war. Next one. World Drowning Prevention Day is celebrated every year on 25 July. World Prevention Day is declared through the April 2021 UN General Assembly resolution. Next one. Bangladesh legendary folk singer Fakir Alamgir has passed away due to complications from COVID-19. He was born on February 21, 1950 in the Faridpur Alamgir and began his music career in 1966. Next one. Last one. Rudreshwar temple inscribed as the India's 39th UNESCO's World Heritage List. And the Kakatiya Rudreshwar temple is also known as the Ramappa temple at Palampet, Mulugu district near Warangal in Telangana. Has been inscribed on UNESCO's World Heritage List during the 44th session of the World Heritage Committee of UNESCO. And UNESCO headquarters is Paris and France. UNESCO head Adra Ajoule and UNESCO founded on 16th November 1945. Thank you.